Hope you guys are doing well. So continuing on our journey with today we will try to make another UI and then we'll try to understand the thought process behind it and then we'll go on from there, right? So this is the UI that we want to design. So a normal will the easy way of uh, so like I have two containers, right? One is the outer one. So we have two containers here. So this is the outer. So this is outer. Then you have this inner. And then inside this inner you have new beginnings here. So this is one text. And this can be made in there I can have a grid as well here. But and then so this is centered vertically looks like. Yeah, there is some sort of centering. And then this is curved, right? Remember these are curved edges. And so this background is some sort of image which is coming in. And this is like a layer, right? This is basically a little bit of animation here. So this is like rectangular animation. And then so after every 60 second you need to add to this. And similarly after every 60 it goes here, right? And so on and so forth. So no, like there's some logic, right? We need to get this thing checked because it should be 6 proper months. So this after 60 will come here. So how many minutes, right? So into do 60 minutes. 60 minutes will increment 1 hour over here. And after 24 hours, this has to change, right? So 24 hours, this has to become day one. This day has to change. And month, so depending upon, so now month I have something and to check whether it is a leap month or not, right? Even that logic I will have to come if I'm trying to manipulate that as well. So yeah, let's start. I guess VS Code is already open right now. What we can do is we can have this thing closed. So our VS Code is already open. So I'll be using TypeScript today. So I already have the index.html loaded here. And then so first is basically you have the okay, so let's go inside the body. So first let's have the outer one. So let's say this is see the outer is like a overlay, right? So we can do div. You can say this is div dot uh okay, this is the outside container that is coming in. Then I have one more okay, so yeah, Is he going to add the image? We'll see this thing. Maybe he's adding. So image is not part, right? So he's not adding the image tag here. Let's work on the container. So we have div dot. Now this has to be centered. Now then uh there is that title which is coming, right? So it's in the dot, and we say this is new. So this is an h1. Let's say until new beginning big double n, and then you have the countdown box, right? So you can do div dot countdown, right? This is count. So inside this you have four boxes. You have so you have months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds, right? So now here you have two things. Every box has two things. One is the box and then the month. That So I get that one box has so the title and then the this, right, and inside that you have two elements, a box and then the month. Let's have the Is there anything to wrap it around? Let's have the inside thing. I said the dot. Now this is countdown slash. So this is the inside wrapper, and inside this you're going to have two things, right? You're going to have number, and then you're going to have, and again here you say you have one more container, right? Div dot countdown. Yeah, that's so right now. Let's only give it square. We'll see if you need more styling. So mm, but then the outer box has to be numbers, right? Okay, well, I guess what he's trying to do is let's get rid of this thing right now. Get rid of this. So inside this, we are going to have the first box, right? So that can be, say, this is that container wrapper. This is the outside wrapper, and then inside this you have div dot. I don't know, so much nesting. This is the first thing, right? This is the month. This is for a month, and then I'm going to say 2. And then you have a p tag, right, which says, so then you have, so this is the outside container. And then again you're going to have something else. So this is one. This is again that items wrapper, right? Oh no. Wait, I need that whole thing repeated. So okay, let's, I guess I'll be having the wrapper from the wrapper. Let's say this much. This is going to repeat 4 times. Wait, let me see. So this is the first, and then this is not countdown square. So let this be say something. And this is not months. This is days. Then this is going to be your minutes. This is going to be seconds. Oh, I have one extra. I guess this is not recorded, right? So right now I've, just let me check if I'm closing the wrong. I'm not. So this div is from here to here, right? And then I have. So this is the outside div. This is the inner one, right? So let's get rid of this thing. So you have this one, and then let's put this down. You have another class here. This is another div. Oh, let's just run so that let's format it so that we know which div is it. And then yeah, this to this. This is the at the class level. Just open this with live server. So right now this is what we have, right? We have this until new beginnings to 1 and then seconds, right? So remember this is going to be a box. Let's change spelling for months. Here it is. Also, you can consider this like one single box as well, right? So we need this. Okay. So this. Oh, I guess now what he's trying to do is because that centering is needed, right, of some sort. Yeah, let's talk about this thing. If you see this box, and then you have elements in this box, right? So this is a this is element one. It's not sure. Is there any way to copy this? Right. Just copy this thing. So these are four boxes. So they need to be centered. So you should have. So there is one outer box, right? Which is holding these boxes as well. Yeah, he's trying to do this. I understand. So you center this in the pink box, and here you have that inner one and the text, right? So that is centered inside the box as well. Inside centering also has to happen. So okay, I got. So this is the box and the text. Again, this is the box and the text. So you need to inside center this as well. Okay. So that is why we have that uh three layer nested thing, right? That is I was trying to understand that. Yeah, so you basically you are having three things nested, right? One is uh, the outside, the big one, and then you have uh so you have one box. Oh, this is not needed anymore. Can get rid of this. We're saying get rid of the outer. So there has to be a three layered approach, right? So there is this box. This is the innermost that is going to hold the text and the. There should be a. So this is the innermost container, right? So you can arrange this, but then how to get this alignment here? This has to be aligned, right? So for that, I guess he's using the outer box. So he has just trapped. Okay, so he's centering this outer one maybe, or center the outer one. Yeah, so he's centering this one then. Center this one. Oh, this is something. I guess this is what is working with. So that is why he has the two-layered schema. Yeah, so let's say and let's say my let's make everything 0 so that there is no browser styling coming. And let's make the border box as well. And box sizing to be yes. So by doing this, you have restored all the styles, right? Okay, root is. Yeah, we'll see that later on. Now, that so as per my markup, yeah, it's happening. Is any cave getting pressed? Let's. Where did my index go? Let's just restart it again. Isn't it in the desktop? Yes, go. I don't know why it lags. See, I'm not even pressing. Something, some key is pressed. See, Okay, just let me stop and